Driving test online on Victoria. Hello viewers, today you are going to learn how to book driving test online in Victoria. So let's get started. First, check if you are eligible or not. You must hold a valid learner's permit for the required period of usually 12 months. If you are under 21, you need at least 120 hours of supervised training, including 20 hours at night. Then you have to gather your learner's permit, proof of identity, and medical certificate. After that, access VicRoads website. For this, sign into your existing account or create a new account. Then select driving test as your test type. Choose location and time. Pick your preferred testing center from available locations across Victoria. Then select a date and time for your test. Slots can fill quickly, so book early. After that, choose location and time. Pay the fee. Pay the required fee using a credit or debit card. After payment, you will receive a confirmation email. After receiving the email, prepare for test day. Practice driving and review road rules. Always ensure your vehicle is roadworthy and meets VicRoads standards. Arrive at least 15 minutes early with all required documents. And that's all. That's how you will be able to book driving test online on Victoria.